Power assisted liposuction is an advanced liposuction in which the cannula which goes inside vibrates itself, eventually reducing the burden on the surgeon, on the operator, and doing some fat disruption at the end point. The simple example is jackhammer. The same logic or same fundamental gets applied in advanced liposuction, where introducing power assisted liposuction will decrease the effort or the movement, jerky movement by the surgeon. What benefit it can give to the patient? Since it's less traumatic at the internal tissue, there is a less inflammation, less swelling, less bleeding, faster recovery, and we can debulk the larger or the more area in a very short period of time. I hope you like this video. To know more about the advanced liposuction and body contouring, do subscribe to my channel and keep watching this handle.